Hello, it's Andrew from Fine & Country and a warm welcome to Blagdon Manor. This is a home steeped in history, Grade 2 listed, dating back to the Tudor times, and I can't wait to explore it with you today to show you more of what this outstanding country home has to offer. So let's go and have a look. So sit back, make yourself comfortable, relax, and let's go and have a look at this exceptional home. So here we are in the sitting room, and it's a superb space for a couple of reasons. You've got this outstanding standout fireplace feature. As you can see today, we've got a roaring log fire going, giving a lovely toasty feel. And if we look over here, you'll notice this slate top denotes the historic fabric of the building and its Grade 2 listed status. Here, cream used to be made as part of clearly day-to-day life in a bygone age. And now, if we just go up a couple of steps, we come into a light and airy kitchen. And this really does demonstrate that Blagdon Manor does have a unique blend of character features, but also with modern comforts, as seen here by a full range of built-in kitchen appliances and also modern down lighting. And here we have a library, study, or a dining space. Purely versatile, with double doors opening out onto the terrace. And yet again, an outstanding feature being the fireplace with a clome oven within. It's worth noting that the existing dining room has consent to be modified and a kitchen placed here within this room, which I actually think will work really well because it's a lovely bright space. And of course, as we know, kitchens now are very much the hub of the home. Again, we have a feature fireplace, and you'll notice here the stone with the date 1683 depicted on it, giving a real sense again of the property's rich history and heritage. And so on our journey through this home, the final reception space that we see now is the sitting room at this end of the property. And it's just lovely and light, feature bay window there, lovely sash window at the front with blinds. So we've got a stunning stone fireplace here with inset wood burning stove. So with day-to-day life being very busy, it's clearly a growing trend that more people are working from home. And here I am here in the home office, which again is superbly equipped with shelving, desk, storage, and all the configurations you need to be able to work from home with comfort and plenty of space. I think it's time to put my feet up and maybe enjoy a lovely film. So, as we head up the elegant primary staircase, it's time to have a look to see what's in store on this level. So a warm welcome to the principal bedroom suite. Look at the size of it. This huge bed. Waking up in the morning and just being able to look outside and just take in that breathtaking outlook over the surrounding countryside. So this is suite number 3, and it has to be one of the lightest in the property. Just look at the size of this Super King bed. Fits in beautifully. And what I love most about this one is look at the lovely views right the way over the garden out towards the surrounding countryside. So this is suite number 2. And again, as you can see, it's got a wonderful space, light and airy, This suite also has the benefit of its own living area. And just look at the quality of this bathroom. Got a huge separate shower in addition to a superior bath. And here we are in bedroom number 5, a really nice room, which has also the benefit of a fully tiled ensuite bathroom toilet. Fling open one of the many external doors onto the huge patio which faces due south, which is perfect for enjoying a barbecue, an outdoor meal when the weather's favourable. And just look at this behind me, a breathtaking view looking over the rolling Devon countryside with the pretty village of Ashwater there in the distance. So here we are out in the 3 acres of parkland, which is simply beautiful. Got a range of mature trees, shrubs, bushes, offering a blaze of colour all year round. So conveniently positioned within the courtyard, behind me here we have a superb 4-bedroom barn, which holds a wealth of opportunity for annex or indeed for deriving income, as the owners have, using it as a holiday let. You can see straight away that the premium finish continues into this exceptional annex facility. I love the bespoke carpentry. We've also got the benefit of solid tops here and work surfaces. There's a range of integrated appliances in the kitchen area, and this building is available with everything included, from the pots and the pans, knives and the forks, cushions and the mats. Everything is available if you should wish to have that. And here we are in the primary living space. Wow, look at these beautiful beams. A-frame beams give that real volume of space and ambience, warmed by this lovely multi-fuel burner. The first floor accommodation is neatly divided into 2 separate sections. The larger section encompasses 3 double bedrooms and also a high quality bathroom. So there we are. So let's summarise. A special property, delightful setting, 6-bedroom grade 2 manor house. With in addition, an extensive 4-bedroom immaculate barn, 3 acres of parkland, outstanding views. We'd love to tell you more about Blagdon Manor. Please contact us on 01566 771919. We can't wait to show you more. Thank you.